In a sunny Kerala village, where coconut trees danced and rivers sparkled, Onam filled the air with joy. Children worked on a grand Pookalam, but their flowers scattered, leaving them sad. Then Sparky the Glowsnail slid in, his neon blue shell glowing like a rainbow. "I'll find the perfect flowers," he chirped, eyes shining with hope. His shell pulsed brighter, lighting up the village. With a determined wiggle, Sparky set off on an Onam adventure, ready to save the day. Sparky slid through a lush jungle, his glowing shell casting rainbows on the path. Above him floated Puffy Pal, a fluffy cloud with googly eyes, giggling, "Sparky, you are so slow." "Slow but steady, Puffy." Fireflies twinkled as the sunset painted the sky gold. Suddenly, Quill, a librarian with neon green hair, popped from behind a tree, holding a glowing scroll. "This map," she said, "will lead you to the magical meadow." With the ancient Onam map in tow, Sparky and Puffy pressed on, adventure calling. The magical meadow glowed under a starry sky, golden lotuses sparkling like jewels. But a cursed, grumpy butterfly with dark wings hovered over them. "These flowers are mine," she growled. Sparky's shell glowed warmly as he said, "Flutter, Grump, Onam's about sharing, like King Mahabali." His kind words softened her scowl, and her wings turned golden. "Fine," she sighed, "take the lotuses." Sparky and Puffy gathered the glowing flowers, their hearts full of Onam's spirit, ready to return home. Sparky and Puffy returned, golden lotuses shining bright. The children cheered, adding the flowers to their Pookalam, now a dazzling masterpiece. On the river, Vallamkali boats raced, their colors flashing under the sun. Puli dancers leaped, painted as fierce tigers, while families feasted on Sadhya, plates piled with curries. As night fell, Sparky's shell glowed like never before, and fireworks lit the sky. The village sang with Onam's joy, united in celebration. Sparky sat proudly on the glowing Pookalam. Puffy floated above, winking playfully. "Onam's about sharing," she giggled. As the sun set over Kerala, painting the sky pink and gold, the village hummed with love. "Happy Onam!" Sparky chirped, his shell twinkling one last time. The adventure was over, but the spirit of Onam lived on. Join us again for more tales of joy.